Welcome to Purbeck House. Let's go have a look inside. Having just entered the building, we're now in Block A. This is the reception area. We've got the lifts that can take you up to your flat and the common room. In the common room, we have vending machines and a pool table, as well as a foosball table and a TV for other activities. We often have movie nights and games nights in here. Coming through back to the area. If you come down here, we have the postal area where you can collect your post and it's assigned by flat, as well as the laundry room and the courtyard. Here in the washroom, we have 7 dryers and 7 washing machines. Having just come from Block A's reception, we're now in the courtyard. In the courtyard, we have the outdoor table tennis table, outdoor seating, and this is also how you'd get into Block B. Over here, we have the bin area and the bike storage, as well as the communal gardens. Here we have the bin area with general waste on this side and mixed recycling over there. To access your flat and room in Purbeck, you would have to use your key card. The standard bedroom in Purbeck House will have a large desk with drawers, a shelf, bed, bedside table, closet, and an ensuite. In Purbeck, you get an open plan kitchen. It comes with a fridge freezer, a microwave, kettle, hob, and oven, as well as loads of cupboards for storage. You have a breakfast bar, which is perfect for studying and dining, as well as seating area, which is good for hanging out with flatmates. We hope you found these videos useful, and we can't wait to see you at Purbeck House next year.